of scrolling for hours and still not finding the right remote job? What if I told you there's an AI tool that finds the perfect remote job for you while you relax? No more searching. Let AI do it. Yup, it's like having a personal job hunting assistant, 100% free and shockingly smart. Let me show you how it works. Let's be real. Finding a remote job in 2025 is harder than ever. You spend hours on websites, customize your resume, and send dozens of applications only to hear nothing back. If you're a freelancer, an immigrant looking for flexible work, or just someone tired of the 9-to-5 office routine, this struggle hits hard. And here's the thing. Most people are looking in the same places. So how do you stand out and save time? Shh. Introducing Workly.ai, an AI-powered platform that automatically matches you with remote jobs based on your skills, preferences, and even your schedule. Highlight features, enters your skills, experience, and goals. Scans hundreds of job boards instantly, filters by freelance, part-time, full-time, or location-free jobs. Even pre-writes a personalized cover letter using AI. Let me walk you through how easy it is. Sign up, takes 10 seconds. Enter your skills and what kind of work you want. Click Find Jobs, that's it. You'll instantly get remote jobs from Upwork, We Work Remotely, Remote OK, and even company websites you didn't know were hiring. You can even save jobs, auto-apply, and set alerts so it works while you sleep. Before using this tool, I was applying to 20 jobs a day and hearing nothing. After switching to this, I got 3 interviews in 1 week, and one of them hired me. Comparison. Manual job search. Hours of stress. AI job finder. Minutes of peace. It's like going from chaos to clarity. So if you're tired of wasting time and want to actually land a remote job in 2025 without the burnout, try this AI tool right now. Link is in the description. Completely free to start. Works for writers, designers, marketers, coders, you name it. Don't let opportunities slip while you scroll. Let AI scroll for you. Imagine opening your email tomorrow and seeing you've been invited to interview. That's what this tool can do. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe. I share tools like this every week.